My name is Stefano Caposeco. I'm the Director of Product Marketing at Westinghouse Lighting. Today, we'll be installing the 3-light Iron Hill pulley pendant. Be sure to turn the power off. Turn the breaker off at the panel box. This is the fixture out of the box. The shades are not installed. You have the large ceiling canopy and the counterweight. Counterweight is actually heavy. The parts bag comes with drywall anchors that will help support the ceiling canopy. For this installation, we'll need some basic tools: a hammer, a power drill with a Phillips bit, a 1/4-inch drill bit, pencil, wire strippers, and a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is install the mounting plate so we can position and mark the hole location for the anchors. We want to install the junction box screws. Next, we want to mark the hole locations for the anchors. We take the plate down. We use the 1/4-inch drill bit to drill the holes that we marked previously. Next, we want to install the drywall anchors that are supplied with this parts bag. Line them up. And we install the second one. Now we want to install the plate on the ceiling. We start by installing the junction box screws. As you're securing the plate using the junction box screws, it's very important to keep track of where the holes for the support are located. These are the screws that are supplied with the parts bag. I want to make sure all the screws are tight. Next, we want to do the wiring connections. And since this is a heavy counterweight, best thing to do is try to place it on a ladder so you could do your wiring without the fixture being pulled down. Do black to black. White to white. Want to wrap the ground wire around the green grounding screw of the back plate and ground to ground. We tighten the green grounding screw. We tuck the wires in. Lift up the cover and install the cap nuts. The fixture's installed. Just the counterweight. And next we install the shades on the fixture. We've removed the threaded caps. Install the shade and thread the cap back on. Since this is a vintage style lighting fixture, we want to use a vintage style bulb. So we'll be using filament, amber finish, ST20s, LED lamps. We turn the power on. There you have it. Thanks for watching.